Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the brush tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we're going to open the application. After that we need to select our image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. Then we are going to select our preferred image. After that, tools, and then brush. We can see a lot of options over here. It's a brush icon, which is going to give us 4 options: dodge and burn, exposure, temperature, and saturation. After that, we can select the value of that, or even we can erase that, or even go to the negative values. Same with each. The first one is dodge and burn. It's going to change the darkness or the brightness of that part where we are going to paint, like so. You can see it darkened all of the colors, or we can go a lot higher, so it will going to make it brighter. We can of course erase it, and if we click on the eye icon, which is the mask icon, it will show all the brush strokes that we did. The next one is exposure. The exposure level will of course change the exposure level of this image, like so. Same thing with the dodge and burn. We can erase it of course, and we can see it with the mask tool. The next one is temperature, which will change the temperature of the image. So it will change the temperature of the color, like so. And of course the mask tool will show it again. And of course we can delete it too. The last one is saturation, which will change the saturation of the image, like so. But of course we can lower it to the point where the colors became black and white, like so. And if we are done, we can compare it to the default picture if we click on the top right corner, like so. And if we are done, we can click on the check mark. And after that, if we want to save this image, we can click on export. It's going to show us 4 options: share, which will share it to our friends on a preferred platform, which will save the image; export, which is kind of the same as save; export as SU, to select a specific folder where you want to save it. We're going to click on save, and then we can also view the image. We're going to click on view and then gallery. Here it is. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.